Today we're trying to reach the bottom of this flooded uranium mine with our DIY submarine.
In 1958, people stopped mining out the uranium from this mine. Quickly after, the water filled it up to the ground level. That means that nobody has been at the bottom for 66 years. That's what we are trying to explore. There were a few divers that tried to get there, but none succeeded. In fact, you might already know that we tried as well, 2 times already. This submarine is the result of everything we've learned so far. A quick recap. The first time we were here, our small DIY submarine, the CPS-5, imploded at 129 meters. A year later, we fixed that weak point with the second drone, a large improvement. And it worked pretty well until we got to about 160 meters.
Oh man. Oh shit.
Our camera feed eventually cut out. Well, we can't have this happen today. After some time we somehow got the camera back, but by then the drone was likely already tangled in those thin lines. That's the second issue we had to fix. So after coming back to our workshop, in order to fix the camera problem, I spent multiple days testing the camera feed under different lighting conditions. In the end, it turns out that these bright particles floating around in the mine quite literally made the camera quit.
Oh, there we go.
We don't know much about video compression, but after installing some software the problem is basically gone, although it's still not perfect. Anyway, an easy fix, which is always welcome. When it comes to the motors, many of you suggested good solutions, and so we'll take your advice. We need to prevent things from floating into the propellers, so I redesigned these motor guards. Then we ordered these 3D prints on JLC 3DP, which is once again the sponsor of this video. Since these guards go on our motors, preferably they should be extremely smooth, in order to provide smooth flow of the water. And that's exactly what these are. We just need to get them assembled now. Recently, JLC started offering a new type of 3D printing technology, which allows these smooth resin parts to have full color capability, meaning that the full spectrum of colors can be applied anywhere you like across the entire object. We made them to have a wooden texture. Alright, so now the drone is much less likely to tangle up. Hopefully it works. If you want to order 3D printed parts from JLC yourself, you just upload the file and get an instant quote. And there's many other cool materials they offer, so check them out using the link in the description. That is how we fixed our issues, but then there was another suggestion in the comments that we liked a lot. Here it is. Can you build an underwater drone that mines the uranium, please? Wait, that's not the one. Add a robotic arm so it can repair itself. That's not the part I'm referring to. And add a 360 camera. There it is, 360 camera. Thank you, Simplex. So, here's a 360 camera. We decided to attach it on top of the drone in this acrylic pipe. Now you know all the upgrades we needed to do, and so we can get back to where we were at the beginning. The uranium mineshaft.
I'm going down. For now the video is perfect. I hope this trend continues along my journey, our journey.
Regarding the uranium, we decided to measure the radioactivity of the drone, and we'll hopefully be able to take a second measurement and compare it after the mission.
Okay, 20 meters. I see the level. I'm not stopping here. Going down.
I have a weird feeling.
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
Okay, 40 meters. Alright. So I'm going pretty fast.
That was fast.
43. 44. Okay, I'll try to swim like next to this wall. I believe this will help me and not get rotated accidentally.
But then we needed to pause for a second. We forgot to turn on the new camera settings that I installed, so that in case our camera feed dies again, we could quickly turn it back on.
Well, you'll always forget something.
While we fix this issue, if you're interested in building drones like these yourself, listen closely. Last year, Jack, who had built our smaller DIY drone, the CPS-5, took it underground on an expedition to explore a flooded cave in the Cantabrian Mountains in Spain. This drone has allowed him to reach the depth of 88 meters in the cave. Now he plans to improve his CPS-5 to be able to explore it further to the very bottom. If you'd like to do things like that as well, over the past couple of years we've built an extensive DIY course, which now teaches over 1,000 students how to build this 3D printed drone from scratch. Actually, a lot of beginners who have never done anything like this before are building these drones by themselves and then using them for their own missions. So, after watching this video, go to cpsdrone.com and sign up for a free training. In it we show how to get started with building CPS-5 yourself. The link is in the description. Alright, we fixed this issue, so now we can proceed down the mineshaft.
Yeah, I just don't want to kick off too much dust. It's good now. We can go.
Let's go. You're going fast now.
Yes, I'm at 82. Oh, wait, there's some loose line over here.
Oh no, that's our worst nightmare.
I'm not sure if it's attached anywhere or... Okay, it's here. Okay, I'm going as far away as I can from it. Okay. And going down. We are at 86. 90. Okay, 93. 94. Everything going swimmingly. Alright, so 101 meters. Now we're approaching the stupid place where the line was. There is a line here. Please make sure, advise me how to not get tangled in it, okay?
This is the line we got tangled
Yes. I'll try to swim next to this surface over here to not get stuck.
What we want to avoid is what happened last time we were here, going around this white line. And it's easier to do than it seems, so we need to keep eyes on it at all times.
112. Oh, something is going with us. What is this thing?
These can be pieces of
Crap.
wood.
Yeah, well, I need to go. I need to not stop, because if I stop, then I lift much more crap.
Right. By the way, we already surpassed our first mission.
Yes. Okay, we didn't celebrate that time, but that's okay. We're gonna celebrate when we're gonna pass the second mission, all right? Yeah. Okay, 140. Yeah. So I'll just go for it.
Yes. Let's just go first. On this side, remember that you have a camera on top.
Okay. That was a scary glitch. But that's all right. Okay. Going well. Okay. 160.
What was our record?
166, I think, or something like that.
Right.
Let's say 166.
Okay, we surpassed our record.
We surpassed our record. Okay.
Great.
166. Yeah. All right. I found the end of our line. It's here.
Whoa, something is hanging for it.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Okay.
there's another line.
Like a rock. Where?
Here.
Oh no. Really? Well, that's okay. I'm sticking to my wall. Oh.
What? What?
Oh, what? Am I supposed to swim here? Wait. No, I'm not gonna be...
To jest to totalnie jakby nie ma przejścia.
Ta.
Tu.
Ale tu jest to przejście, no tu jest przejście chyba, czy nie? Okay, I'll make sure not to...
Włącz światło.
It's obstructed at 174 meters. Alright, I need to swim close to this line, but not around it.
Is there enough space? Yeah.
Another level.
You can perhaps go to the side.
Yeah, but then we
That's
need to
scary.
remember exactly where we were.
Yes, I know, but I think it's possible.
I'm gonna swim next to this and see if there's space,
Yes.
okay?
Right.
Okay, there's no way this is doable.
Right.
That's totally blocked.
Yes, it is. We quickly concluded that our only hope is to go in between the beams to the other shaft.
I kind of don't want to do that, but well, we can try. I can go through here, but that's very small and scary.
Scary, yeah. We can go here, exactly here.
Go in here.
Yes. Let's go.
Just a sec. Am I too big to fit?
Chyba
not so fast.
Trzymam ten kabel. Oh, I think it's not obstructed.
Okay.
Right.
Please remember this place that we ought to go back here, okay?
Yes, and I'm remembering this rock. According to the local mine guides, none of the divers went deeper than 176 meters, which turns out is the depth of this blockade here. And they always come down in the left shaft, as the middle one is blocked somewhere higher up.
Okay, I'm going down, and now let's focus on how to not destroy the cable.
Okay.
Oh, there is no space in here either.
Well, crap. So no. Okay, so we did reach the bottom.
Wait, I need to make sure, okay? I need to be 100% sure that this is the bottom.
Okay. We needed to inspect every centimeter of this place to know whether it's actually closed off. Is there space in here? Like
Where?
here?
We have one hole that's potentially better. I mean, it's potentially leads to the very bottom, but unfortunately, as you can see, there are rocks there. Look at this. There are rocks. Look. Mm-hmm. See this?
That's the deepest anyone has been.
Well, yeah, I guess that's one way of thinking about this as a success.
Whether we wanted it or not, after half an hour of searching, we had to turn back. For all we know, the mine could be just filled with rocks all the way down from here. We got back to the first shaft, and from there, surprisingly quickly back to the surface, avoiding tangling like the last time. There's one thing left. We have to check if the radioactivity of the drone has changed. And before that, I just want to say that this is the end of our 3-episode journey here, since we went as deep as it was possible, but it's not the end of deep dives on our channel. In a sense, it was only a warm-up. See, it just so happens that relatively nearby to this mineshaft, there is the deepest flooded cave in the world. It's not fully explored, so we will try to break the world record for the deepest cave exploration. Subscribe to see our journey to reach this goal. And the radioactivity. Well, as we predicted, the difference before and after is negligible. Aha. It's a uranium mine, but it's not dangerously radioactive, at least if you're there for short periods of time. Don't forget to check out the free training on how to build the CPS-5 submarine yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.
No tak, teraz zapieprzamy.